In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use classes in QuickBooks. If you're new to class tracking, think of classes as labels you attach to your transactions to see how different parts of your business are performing. For example, you might track by department, line of business, or type of work. It's a simple way to slice your income and expenses for clearer insights. If you haven't turned on classes in your settings yet, I've got a separate video that walks you through enabling them. Once they're on, here's exactly how to use them on a transaction. Let's start by creating a transaction, like an invoice. Open up a new invoice the way you normally would. You'll see the familiar layout with your customer information at the top and the product and service details in the main area. In that product and service section, there are several columns for things like the item, description, quantity, rate, and amount. Among those columns, you'll also see one labeled Class. This class column is where the magic happens. Click the drop-down inside the class column on the line you're working on. You'll see the list of classes you've already created in your settings. Choose the class that best fits that specific line item. If your settings are configured to track classes per line, you can assign a different class to each product or service on the same invoice. That's especially useful when a single invoice includes items from different departments or categories. As you select a class, take a second to confirm it matches how you want to analyze your books later. Consistency matters. Pick class names that are clear and stick with them so your reports stay accurate and easy to read. If you don't see the class column at all, it likely means class tracking isn't turned on for your account, so be sure to check out my other video on enabling classes. Repeat that same drop-down selection for any additional line items on the invoice as needed. The goal is to make sure each line reflects the right class before you finalize your work. This small habit pays off when you run reports and want to compare performance across your classes. And that's it. Using classes in QuickBooks is as straightforward as choosing the right label from the drop-down on each line in the product and service section of your transaction. Keep your class list clean, name your classes clearly, and apply them consistently, and you'll unlock powerful insights without adding extra complexity to your workflow.